Guys, welcome back to Royal Appleberry. And I noticed that like these order packing videos have become pretty popular, so I decided to join in because I do have an order that I need to pack. I'm just grabbing my soaps behind me, and I'm gonna pack them on camera for you. I'm just trying to grab everything I need here. Alright, I think I got everything. So this is the box that I use. I know I'm going to get asked where I got them from. I got them from eBay. So they fit perfectly inside the bubble mailers. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm just taking this paper and folding it in just a little bit because it's a little bit too wide. And you know, I didn't spend a whole lot of time or money on packaging just because I felt like, you know, people throw packaging in the trash once it's done. But it does add a certain, you know, excitement for me, even like with packing my orders. Because normally I don't enjoy packing my orders, but when you have pretty packaging, it makes it a lot nicer to do. And I hope you guys can see everything what I'm doing. I was going to do this off camera, but I figured I'd show you on camera. So there you go. I have my paper folded, and then I just had some bubble and whatnot. How did I do it just that fast? I try to be prepared, guys. I do, I swear. And then I get on camera and I lose everything. Okay. So I'm going to take my bubble. I'm going to put a little bit here. Come on. Okay, like that. And then a little bit like this. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my paper and stick it in there. I'm going to go in about halfway, fold it in half. And then stick it down in my box. Just like that. Okay. Now these, I've seen they've been pretty popular, and although I'm a soap maker and I pack orders all day long, I do find them really relaxing to see other soap makers pack their orders. So this customer ordered 2 cats pajamas and a royalty soap, and I have my laptop behind me just to double check and make sure that's what I got. So I'll just stick them in there like that, and hopefully you guys can see well. Just do just like that. And then I'm going to grab my tissue paper, or my crinkle paper, should I say. With my crinkle paper, which I need to get some more. And it's crazy how much this stuff costs. So, now I'm going to take that and just kind of tuck it down in the crevices in between each soap to make sure things aren't rolling around. Oh, we don't want that in there. Rolling around like you don't want them to, and just kind of, it's pretty and it keeps things protected too. Okay, I think that's good enough, just like that. And now I did grab some ribbon. I did grab 2 ribbons, but I forgot to add them in here. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get that in here. This ribbon is like really long, but I'm going to use it anyway. And what I like to do, like when I get orders or whatever I have, and it comes with pretty ribbons and things, and this was just like perfect. I don't even know what this came off of. Something I bought. Oh, some towels, and I thought that was really, really pretty. And I'm just like, I'm going to keep that and reuse it. So, and I've been meaning to use it, but I've been out of town. For you guys that know that I went to Rustic Escentuals Happy Fall, y'all, event, and Hunter had been packing my orders for me. So I just thanked my child for doing that for her mom while I was away, and she's never packed an order a day in her life, but she did such a stellar job, so I thank her for that. So now I'd like to take this and fold it over just like that. Push that in there like that. And then I'm going to fold this down one more time like that. Okay, pull everything out, make sure it's all nice and neatly put in there. I know this is a long ribbon, but I just can't bring myself to cut it. And hopefully, when she gets her order, she'll pass it on for something else. Because it's just so cute, you know what I mean? So I only use ribbons like this when I have, like I said, I find it from something else. This grosgrain ribbon. Or any type of ribbon, really. That bow is terrible. Okay, there we go. I'm very particular about how my bows turn out, but that one's looking quite shabby. I guess because I'm so far away. So I'm going to go ahead and tie it the way I normally would, and then I'll flip it around. Okay. I like for the print to be on the outside. I'll just fold that under like that. And under like that. Like I said, I refuse to cut this ribbon. I just can't bring myself to do it. Okay, now I'm going to add her thank you note, which I like to just stick right in there. Now this bow is going to drive me crazy. I'll do a double bow. Yeah, that's much better. I just couldn't deal with that. Just being like that, it was really bothering me. Alright, so now that I have that all in there, now I'm going to just smooth everything back out and then cover it up. Because you guys know, like, these courier services, they don't care about your packages like we do, honey. They will rough them up something awful. So I try to protect them as much as possible. Alright, so now that I have that in there, I'm going to add some packing peanuts. And what I do with my packing peanuts, I get them from my job, I get them from Rustic Escentuals. Any order that I get from a supply company, I keep them. And I just reuse them. That way, we're recycling our packaging. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Alright, so I'll go ahead and put that down in there like that to make sure everything's nice and protected. And now, I have these cutesy little stickers that says thank you for helping my small business grow. I'm going to stick that on the outside once I put a little bit of okay, there you go. I just love these boxes, I swear I do. They're so super cute. Now I gotta find something to tap down the corners. I learned that from Holly over at Missouri River. You take something and tap down the corner so it doesn't poke holes in the bag. And I am so truly grateful for each and every order that I get. I got a few more, but I'm not going to do them all on camera just because I just got off of work and I want to sit down because I've been filming. I posted a video today and then I did this one as well. So yeah, I'm about ready to sit down. Alright, so take that. Just like that. Now I'm going to take down the edges and then put the shipping label on it. Yeah, to get this order done. Yeah, I just thought it would be fun to join in with the fun order packing videos. Mine aren't as beautiful as some others, because some of you are just extraordinary with your packaging. But I just wanted to step up my game a little bit. Like I said, it's fun. It makes it fun for me to wrap your order. And I'm pretty sure it's much nicer for you to open. So anytime you order 3 or more soaps, you will get an order about a box like this, and ribbon and all of the extra. And then anything under 2, you will still get a pretty printed bag. Alright, so I'm going to put her shipping label on off camera just because I don't want to show her dress. But thank you for watching, guys. So I'll see you in the next making video. Bye.